배고팠지? 우리 사실 밥을 제대로 안 먹었구나. 한 끼도. 아직까지 하나도 안 추워서 아주 좋은데. 창문 열었나? 비바람이 없어서 안개는 엄청 있는데.
그래서 우리 내일 어디 가는 거지?
내일 글렌코. 내일 아침에 일찍 일어나서 밥부터 먹자.
너무 심하다. 얼굴은 찍지 말자. 나는 오트밀을 먼저 말씀하시면 오트밀만 주는 줄.
There's a light in the dark and it shines bright for you. There's a hole in my heart, it won't tell me the truth. There's a story to tell. We have been here before. I'm not buying
좀 보이지 않니?
응.
지금 어디로 움직이고 있어? 이쪽으로 움직여야지.
응.
그럼 저기 파랑이니까.
그러네.
뭐야?
근데 저 파랑이 영역이 좀 작은데. 저기 딱 이쪽으로 와야 되는데.
35 summer years ago, you left your world to make a new home in this new place. Yeah.
아기처럼.
나무인데 엄청 따가워.
When I'm gone and my life is done, and I've spent my love and sung my last song, I wanna be eulogy like she was sweet and she was strong, and she never marched to anybody else's drum. And I hope that they will say that she walked like Jesus and she talked like Jesus and she lived like Jesus and she loved like Jesus. And I made him happy, happy. I made him happy. I made him happy. I made him happy, happy.
응. 안녕.
Me, oh, 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 oh.
갑자기 무섭게 느껴지면 어떡해? 나 이제 내려가고 싶어.
내려와.
Finally had some time to sit around and settle down and think about my life. I must admit I don't know what comes next, what to expect, but wanna get it right. I just wanna be happy, happy with me. Oh, oh, oh.
여기까지 쫓아오면 어떡해? 자동차에 같이 탈 거야?
35 summer years ago, you left your world to make a new home in this new place. Yeah.